से मुझे नहीं आती, मेरा नाम सुधा है, और इफ आई से एन पेर सुधा आई गेट लैम, डू आई सत्या?
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡವೇ ಸರ್ವಭೌಮ.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
And during, I am telling you, no, if you tell illa, we tell haudu. No doubt. In Karnataka, Kannada is supreme. There's no doubt on that.
Don't
And
expect-
normally it is a practice.
Yeah.
No, I'll tell you. Give me at least 30 seconds.
Sure.
Okay. I'll explain my initial, comments. And it is a normal, during Rajya Sabha day that, any activist, Kannada activists who have fought for the language. Language, what is language? Language is not just medium of instruction. It is not just a way to communicate. It is a culture of Kannada. It is a culture of Karnataka. It is a culture of this land. And all those who have fought for the culture of this land, it is a normal process that during
But to
Rajya
say,
Sabha day,
why have you taken back all the cases against the Kannada activists? That was a law and order failure on part of your government.
Karnatakaದಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡವೇ ಸರ್ವಭೌಮ. All those who have fought for the sarvabhaumate of the Kannada.
Sarvabhaumate is fine, but even if they are banned, what about public property? What about public property? Are you saying that only if those, I'm asking you before I go to Ashok, are you saying, like your chief minister said, if you say, how are you in Kannada, and if I answer in English or Hindi, I'm not welcome in Karnataka or Bengaluru?
You are welcome, but you need to speak in Kannada after 3 months or 4
Fine.
months or 6 months.
Will you learn Punjabi if you live in Jalandhar? Will you speak in Punjabi? Will you speak in Punjabi? This country belongs, this is freedom. No sir, no sir, fundamental rights sir. The right to movement and employment. Ashok, come in here Ashok. What is this? This is pure politics sir. It is like, it is, I can't shout more than this. Ashok Gowda, don't you think this is just pure politics and a playbook? It has nothing to do, there is no doubt, Siddaramaiah is a Kannadiga at heart. He wears it on his sleeve. So are you, so is...
Lessons from Hindi wala party. We don't want lessons from BJP. It doesn't give respect Kannada culture. We don't want any gyan from that party which guarantees Kannadiga. We don't want any lessons from that party who has done a great injustice for Kannadigas by giving us 13 paisa for every 1 rupee given. We don't want lessons from Modi party, which is a Hindi wala party, which does gross injustice to Kannadigas and people of Karnataka. Even after paying 4.5 lakh crores, you're giving pitches for every 1 rupee. You're giving 13 paisa, while for your pet country, for your pet state Gujarat, you are giving 31 paisa. It is a shame, and we don't want lessons from a party which does huge injustice for the state of Karnataka.
I don't understand. So far, Hindi do not understand. I think it is just the way is that because of the problems that you are facing, and I don't want to repeat myself, this is just one way of saying. But why don't you have
diversity? You have to accept the diversity.
Diversity is also that I'm a Manipuri, sir. Diversity. Let's put up those things, Mr.
India is a diverse country.
Yeah, sure it is. Then why do people get beaten up in Bengaluru? Why do Manipuris get beaten up in Bengaluru? Why do women get beaten up in Bengaluru?
For a language which is spoken by just 20,000 people, which constitutes to 0.002%. Thousands of crores are given, while for a language which is 8th largest like Kannada, they claim that they have given 150 crores in your show. I went back. Those 150 crores have been given to a central institute in Mysore, which is an institute for all languages, not just Kannada.
Okay, Mr. Gowda, come in here. Mr. Gowda.
All languages put together. Hindi gets more than all languages put together.
No, I'm not going to shout. Mr. Gowda, please come in. But before that, let me...
For my language, I am going to shout, Sudha. For मेरा अस्तित्व के लिए, कन्नड़ा का अस्तित्व के लिए, I am going to fight my way. That's as simple as
only
that.
you have a mother tongue. We don't have any... A young girl speaks in and doesn't reply in Kannada, and she gets beaten or violated. What are you going to do, Satya?
Have I ever in your show said that anyone who doesn't Kannada have to be beaten? I have never said so. What I said was, everyone who comes to Karnataka should learn that language over a period of time, is all I'm saying. And my friend, if he is comparing the great Kannada activists to PFI agents and all the terrorist organizations like VHP, Bajrang Dal, and all these communal organizations, it is a shame. That shows his commitment to Kannada. That shows BJP's commitment to people.
All right, I've come to the end of the show, and I'm to Ashok.
Siri Kannadam Gelige, Karnataka Jindabad is all I can say.